everyone good health and more blessings this year! Hi guys! It's me again, Yon, and my brother Jacob. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yon Wonders. Thanks guys for watching and subscribing our channel. Please stay connected and stay safe. This is our first video this year and we will do another experiment. Do you know you can bounce an egg without breaking? Let's find out! What are the things that you will need? You will need glasses, water, eggs, and vinegar. Are you ready? Then let's get started! We will put one egg in the water and the other in the vinegar. Now we will put the vinegar in the other cup. Jacob, can you put the egg in the vinegar? Look what happens! We will wait it for 24 hours or 1 day. A chemical change takes place in the egg when left in vinegar. The vinegar, which is an acid, reacts with the calcium carbonate of the eggshell.
The next day.
See what happens now after 1 day. Look at this egg. See? It's not soft now, see? It's not soft, but this is soft. But now we will find out the egg with the vinegar if it's going to bounce. Now this is the egg. Let's find out if it will bounce or it will not bounce. Let's find out. You're right, it bounced. The change makes the shell go soft, then disappear. This is called decalcification. The egg in the glass of water does not chemically change. That's it guys! Hope you like our experiment today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more of my exciting and amazing videos. See you on our next experiment. Bye bye!
Soon after.
Thank you for watching.